You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is r greater than 35/3 greater than 112/3. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Resolve the double minus. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Add 4 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the r. Divide both sides by 3. Simplify the fraction. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is r greater than 35/3 greater than 112/3.